Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are drawing this beautiful pencil sketch, this beautiful portrait. So basically we start by drawing the basic structure of the portrait, outlines, everything, then a little bit more in detail after we have shaded the whole thing once really lightly, and then with the help of a brush we just make everything very smooth so there are not any harsh lines anywhere. Then slowly we start to make, basically this is about hair, so I will talk about hair more. So basically we just start by drawing like where the hair start from, in a way, in this area this is very concentrated where the ponytail is starting from. So from there on you start to draw the darker areas, lighter areas with pencil, and just keep going all the way like this on the other side too. Don't draw everything really harsh directly, like not so dark. Start really slow, take your time, and use eraser wherever you have to. I have this really beautiful little eraser pen and I love it. So for highlights too, as you will see later, I use it a lot. For highlights I really prefer this. For those of you who are interested in knowing what equipment I use, my camera, mic, my pencils, sharpeners, what I use, everything I like in this. So for this matter you can just leave a comment down below and I will let you know. And then I basically do some highlights on the right side, maybe not just highlights you can say, but erase some areas where I think it should be lighter, because this is a blonde hair basically, so it has to be really light, because it's really easy to get it wrong, I guess. So I drew just bunches of like where a lot of hair are coming together, those areas really dark. So don't draw individual strands, draw in bunches. That would be more natural looking, because hair has this tendency to stick together, so they're always existing in like bunches and stuff. Towards the edges you can see towards where they end, towards the end even, and all the around the edges you can see that there are some fine little strands here and there. You can just look in the mirror and see this too, but in the middle they're always really packed together in bunches. So that is really a nice observation you can do on your own and implement in your drawings as well. Drawings are basically, or any art for that matter, is just an interpretation of reality or imagination even, but it's your interpretation how you want to. So it doesn't have to be the same for everyone, a lot of things, but it's nice to know some basic concepts and what others have learned on their way. It's always nice. And so you can see here I'm trying to make a lot of things a bit lighter, because I felt that I drew it really a bit darker than I intended, so I was trying to make the hair a bit lighter overall and also draw highlights. I think I drew the hair a bit lighter than in the reference picture. Excuse me. but I liked it like this because I think it looks a bit better, because overall I drew the sketch a bit lighter as well. So I'm skipping those, like when I drew the rest of the face, I skipped those parts, and because I wanted this video to be specifically about the hair, so that's it. In the end I used a pencil to draw some here there, strands. So